Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This is a short video about some improvements in my car park building. Now you can see that there used to be speed bumps here in the car park, which used to be quite annoying. So about 2 years ago, they decided to remove the speed bumps, which is a good thing. But we still had to wind down our windows and present our card to the card reader in order for the barrier to raise up. Now sometimes this forces drivers to actually approach at an angle, which is quite awkward, or they approach flush like I normally do. And you can see that this driver has approached quite far away, so he has to actually reach out of the window, which is very awkward. So what I've done is I 3D printed one of these extendable prongs, and at the end you can see that I have a magnet. So all I do is just clip on my card to this, and I can actually reach out for some car parks where you just happen to be too far away from the card reader. But this is just a temporary solution. You can see that recently our car park installed the license plate recognition system. So now there's no longer any speed bumps. There's no more requirement to wind down the window to present your card to them. All you do is just walk up and they will recognize you, the barrier will raise up, and then off we go. So that's a little bit of progress, which is always nice. But this tells me that this car park management company is actually going to do some more things as well. So please watch out for my future videos about car parks, because there's going to be more developments. So please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.